are you oppressed? In 2023, how are you oppressed? Because I got news for you, honey. If you had a skill set that was worth something to somebody, you would be the richest fucker in here. I have a lot of young black men that follow me. There's no fucking way on earth I'm gonna let them believe that they have a lesser chance than anybody else if they just work their ass off. There's no fucking way. I'm not shitting on their dreams like that. I'll be damned. Looking at racism is for broke people.
Number one, this is a textbook example of cruel optimism. He's being so optimistic that he's cruelly ignoring the realities that we live in. Number two, this also going to be a lesson on how to recognize racial gaslighting, because why he talking so aggressively and being condescending to this group of black women about what he going to let black men believe. Number three, he really said that if you had a skill set worth something to somebody, you'll be the richest effer in this room. Has he not heard of slavery or exploitation? Number four, does he really believe that if you have a skill set that's worth anything, you'd be the richest person in the room? So in a room full of NBA players and NBA owners, who's the richest? The owners or the players? Who has the skill set on the court? The players or the owners? Number five, LeBron James is a billionaire that is told to shut up and dribble and has also had his home vandalized due to racism. What does it mean for rich black people to experience racism? That they should look at it. Number six, facts over feelings. According to many studies, childbirth is deadlier for black families even when they are richer. Number seven, does he not know the legacy of white flight and redlining is centered around black people getting more upward mobility and white folks still viewing them in a particular way? Number eight, I don't think he would talk to a group of black men like that. He literally called them honey. Number nine, if he believes he has the power to dictate how young black men believe, who he think he is? God? Massa? Number 10, metaphorically speaking, if I'm a rabbit in the woods and I acknowledge there's a probability or chance for me to get eaten by a wolf, would you call that victim mentality? If I'm looking to get into business and I acknowledge that the denial rate for black balls is twice the overall population, what do you call that? I call it living in reality. My last point, to the people that look like me, do not buy into this bootstrap mentality that make you believe you just work your ass off, everything will be much better. Listen, we've been working our asses off since we've been here, and that's not the reason why we don't get opportunities. You see what I'm saying?